All right, men 60 plus. Our only athlete over 60 years old this weekend. From CrossFit West Oahu, Rick Mikami. All right, there you go. These are your age group athletes. 2020.
Let's go, Rick!
Imagine this. You're looking at your reflection on your phone or computer screen, and all you see is a face that looks tired and dull, no matter how many creams and serums you apply. As someone who loves skincare, it's really frustrating to see people wasting their time and money on products that just don't work. What skin issues plague you most? I found something that changed the game completely. The Outsmart Your Genes Serum. It's literally been a lifesaver for those of us fed up with all the hyped up skincare fads that never deliver. Forget about those long, complicated skincare routines with the Outsmart Your Genes Serum. Just one step can make a noticeable difference. It's like suddenly having younger, brighter skin isn't just a daydream anymore. People from every kind of background are seeing amazing results, whether they're working long hours, taking care of kids at home, or have been on the hunt for good skincare for ages. This serum has brought them hope. It's all thanks to the incredible Outsmart Your Genes Serum. How does reaching your skincare goals elevate your confidence and well being? I wanted to know more about what makes it so special, and here's what I found out: a revolutionary approach to skincare. The Outsmart Your Genes Serum is designed to roll back the years and give you results you can see. This isn't just another serum, it really works to boost your skin's glow, firmness, and even out your skin tone. Packed with natural extracts and a special formula, it cuts down your skincare to just one crucial step. Enjoy the benefits of a full skincare regime in one bottle while you watch those fine lines disappear and your confidence grow. Whether you want to go makeup free or just show off a naturally youthful vibe, adding this serum to your routine is a must for any millennial. What is it and how does it work? The Outsmart Your Genes Serum leverages your skin's own ability to heal itself, delivering a bunch of skincare benefits all in one go. By focusing on the root causes of aging with its unique formula, the serum boosts your skin's natural processes. What do you desire in a skincare product? This powerful mix promises visible improvements in just 7 days. Moreover, with its strong clinical backing and sustainable packaging, it's both effective and eco-friendly. You'll start to see better skin texture and more radiance pretty quickly, and it'll fit right into your existing skincare routine. Why is it selling like crazy in the US? Takes on 8 visible signs of aging. Clinically proven results in just 7 days. Sustainable, refillable packaging. Boosts firmness and radiance. Easy to include in any skincare routine. But is it really worth all this hype? The Outsmart Your Genes Serum has quickly become a must-have. It's all down to the rave reviews and the buzz on social media. My conclusion: it's an unbeatable deal. Before I tried the Outsmart Your Genes Serum, having youthful skin felt like an impossible goal. But since I've started using it, I've seen such a big change. It works seamlessly with your skin's natural renewal processes and gives consistent, reliable results, boosting both your look and your confidence. with such incredible benefits and value. I expected a hefty price tag, but it's actually available for an amazing deal right now. Don't miss your chance to revolutionize your skin and your life with this awesome deal. Act now to discover the key to youthful, glowing skin. Discover how Outsmart Your Gene Serum can transform your skin. Comment with questions or thoughts. I'm here to help you achieve that youthful glow.
68 years old.